Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable send last location on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on privacy and security, just click on it. You come to next here, then you click here on location services, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on share my location here. You come here to, so then you click here on find my phone. You come here to send last location, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as may send last location enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.